Let's look at the Venn diagram. Remember the Venn diagram? Remember Mr. Venn? This Mr. who went to the ice cream shop? Yes. Here I have the Venn diagram here, and I have some numbers. So remember when we used to say that here, I look at the first circle alone represents what? This circle alone, see, this one on the left side, is for digits that add up to 10 or more. And here is for number is 50 or more. So what about the diagram that's in the middle, or this circle in the middle? Yes, it's for both of them together. Here for any digits that add up to 10 or more, and for numbers that is 50 or more. Good job. So now let's see the answers. See? Here it's written down 47. Now let's add them together. 47, which is 4 and 7. Now let's add 4 and 7 together. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So yes, it goes here. Let's look at this. 80 is more than 50, right? Let's look at this. 64. 6 plus 4, sorry. 6 plus 4 is, yes, 10. And is 64 at the same time more than 50? Yes. So when I have yes here and yes here, it is yes in the middle. So I write it down in the middle. Amazing. Now, let's go to the Carroll diagram. Here, digits add up to 10 or more. So the whole line here, this whole horizontal line is for numbers, or actually for digits that add up to 10 or more. But regarding this horizontal part, see, it should be digits add up to 10 or more, and at the same time, they should be number is 30 or more. Let's move to the next box. Again, digits add up to 10 or more, and at the same time, they are less than 30. We're done with this horizontal line. Let's move to the next horizontal line. Digits add up to less than 10, which is here, and here digits again add up to less than 10. But what is the difference? Is that here numbers is 30 or more, and here less than 30. So let's think of them. Let's look at this. 55. 55, when I add them together, 5 plus 5 is 10. And it is at the same time 30 or more. That's why I wrote it down here. Next. 29. 9 plus 2, 11. So that's why it's here. But at the same time, 29 is less than 30. So, correct. Now let's move here. Digits add up to less than 10. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. So it's less than 10, so correct. But why specifically in this box? Because it is 30 or more. 80 is more than 30, so that's why it's in the same box here. Correct. Next, digits add up to less than 10. 2 plus 3 is 5, so yes. And at the same time, 23 as a whole number, or actually as a number, is less than 30. Now we understood the idea? Good job. Now, as for the word problems, let's read this. I'm going to give you like 5 seconds to read each question, and I want you to think of the answer. When we have 23 students going on a trip, every 4 students will ride a car. So how many cars do we need? Now, let's think about it. I have 23 students, and every 4 students will ride a car. So how many cars do I need? We know that 4, let's look at table 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. Good job. What about 4 times 6? Yes, 24. So I have either 2 options, either to use 4 times 5 or 4 times 6, right? How many students do I have here? I have 23. And every 4 will go for a car. If I used 5 cars, this means that only 20 students will go to the trip. So what about these other 3 students? Aren't they going to go to the trip? No, of course they will. So I'll be using another car even if only 3 students will ride, okay? So how many cars am I going to need? I'm going to need, yes, 6 cars. Let's look at the other question. Again, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to read this and then let's discuss the answer together. How many oranges can you buy with $10 if each orange costs $3? Easy. Now, I have $10 and I'm going to buy some oranges. So these oranges each cost me $3. So 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. So if I buy one orange, I'm going to pay $3. If I'm going to buy 2 oranges, yes, $6. What about if I'm going to buy 3 oranges? Yes, $9. And I have only 10. Can I buy more than 3 oranges? Definitely no. Yes, so with only $10, I can buy only 3 oranges. Now you got the idea? Thank you so much. And I really, really miss you.